Here's the kids playing. They woke up because it's about 11:30 at night, and that's when they usually wake up. So 11:30 is playtime. Right, Gypsy? Go play with your brother. We're playing with this toy together. Simply adorable. Right, kids? That's my knee. Well, some love biting going on there. Oh, Gypsy is so fashionable. What?
What happened?
I don't know, something. I don't know. Something frightened them. It's okay, Jersey. It's okay. Come on. It's alright. Just your sister being a little kooky. Ow, that's my foot! The other day, Gypsy picked up this whole toy and carried it off in her mouth. It was hilarious. That Jersey boy's just being a bystander. Come and play. Come on. Play with that. Now he's going to hit it to her. And they were playing back and forth earlier. Now he has one of her toys. Very cute, Jersey boy. What do you think of that, Gypsy? Huh? What do you think of what your brother's doing? He being a silly boy? Yeah, Jersey boy likes to play with toys that are as big as he is. For example, a big stuffed animal. What was that? And he growls when he plays with it. I have no idea why. He thinks he thinks that the teddy bear is his. And Gypsy is not going to go anywhere near that. It's so funny.
Cane, sharp, test tubes.
Get it, Jersey. You get that bear. You get that bear. Oh, ow. You get the bear. Get that bear. You get that bear. You get him. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the growling on the video. Hopefully you will. It's so funny. No, that's my bear. That's my bear. Give me that bear. I think he thinks he's a dog. There's still something left to the bear, surprisingly. Is that any way to treat your toys? That's stuffed animal abuse. Oh, he's carrying it away. His mouth. Where did you go? Where did you go with that? And he brought it in the bathroom. Because no one's going to touch his bear. He's carrying it off. Now what are you going to do with it? Wait till your auntie and your nana see how silly you are. You all done with that now? You killed it. You killed the bear. Your sister doesn't even want to go near you right now. Okay, we're running off again with the bear. Ooh, you just almost knocked yourself out. We are definitely going to have to post this video. I know your sister's not going to get anywhere near your bear, huh? That's your bear. You get that bear. I know, Gypsy. What is he doing? What in the world is he doing? I know, you better just hide before you're next. Get that bear. You get that bear. You get that bear. I'm going to pretend it's not there, and then we'll attack it. Oh boy. Jersey Boy just hissed at Gypsy because he doesn't want her going near his bear. Too funny. You sound like too hard, it's going to land on your head. Oh boy. There I got it. Okay, so I think that's enough. Still move this around. I guess we're done with the bear. Unless Mommy tries throwing it. Jersey Boy. Jersey Boy, come here. No, okay, I guess we're done for tonight. I hope everybody found that entertaining. I sure did.